regarding environment, if there are any problems, there are some agitations. I have been going through the news that there are some people are agitated on certain things. Agitating is a different, but before getting in touch with the concerned persons, you cannot go for agitation. That is what I believe. So I think that solution can be found out for any problem across the table, sitting with them and discussing with them. And then we can really go ahead with whatever the project. If they want, we can go ahead with that. I feel is that that particular issue has been wrongly projected. There should have been, because see, if I want to do something, I independently come and declare that I will be doing this. This cannot be. If the people are concerned with that, people are really connected with this any project, those people should be taken into consideration, taken into confidence, and then we can go ahead, discuss with them. What is that? Suppose you are having a different view, nothing wrong in it. But if you are having a different view, I am having a different opinion, we both of us can sit together, exchange our ideas, exchange our views, and can find a solution. If we do not do that, then there will be agitation, then there will be conflict, then there will be confrontation. So to avoid confrontation and conflict, we must sit across. I must understand your view and you must understand my opinion. That is what I feel. So any issue can be sorted out in this fashion. I want to sit across the table with all the people. I will try to convince my viewpoint. You will try to convince your viewpoint. Let us find out any solution for that. That can be done, isn't it? Agitation will not help to solve any problem. That is what I am of opinion. Whosoever making any hazardous or pollutions to the environment, to the people and everything, even including water, air, everything, should not be allowed. Should not be allowed. So that pollution has to be curtailed. If that activity is not within the ambit of any law or rule, that has to be stopped. So I will see that if any, suppose you have been given a permission to start a factory, I will not come and stop your factory. I will ask you to follow the rules of environment. There are some effluents, there are some many things. You follow the rules. If you are not doing that, then I will put hand on your factory. That is what I feel. So if you are doing a business, do within the limits of the rules, any rule. So that rule has to be followed.